Guys, welcome to a new video, and yeah, carrying on from my last video that I just finished off. Whilst we're in the area, I thought I would do a different video, and we are going to walk towards the town centre. Going to go from here. We are of course near to Whitegate Drive. But look how nice this road is. Trees just down here. Just makes it look greener. But anyway, we're going to continue up towards the traffic lights just up to here. And watch out for any dog mess. And we're going to take a right hand turn at the lights. There's a new BT mess. .6G broadband, ultra fast. To be honest, I think what it is, BT's been going for so many years, so they've always had BT masts in place, so they've always ran overhead cables and everything for BT lines, so that sort of infrastructure they won't leave. Because it's always something that they've had going for years and years. Whereas Virgin Media, back in the day, it did used to be called Telewest Broadband and Cable, whatever. I think that was quite an old... No, I think it was relatively new. Because they have to run fibre optic under the ground and everything. Whereas BT just runs overhead cables. So I think for BT overall, it works out cheaper to run it overhead, because they don't need to dig up half the road. Whereas if Virgin Media wanted to run cables, they have to go around digging up or whatnot just to run cable. Not sure how true that is, but yeah, it's as I said in my previous video, it is absolutely gorgeous weather. It really is gorgeous weather today. But at the same time, it's definitely a cold one. Camp a bit like yours out there, because it wasn't for moving. I did actually think, what was that pit then for, but now I know. That needs to watch itself. So yeah, we've crossed over, and you might recognise where I am. We've got a little cafe there. Bit of a little local cafe, I think that. Yeah, whilst we're in this area, we'll actually have a look at the Department of Work and Pensions building, see how it's going. Do a bit of a longer video tour around of the area. But instead of going straight on here like I would normally, but yeah, you know what, we'll do as I said, and we'll walk up this way. So instead of me going down that normal road, go down this one instead. Bit of a different road, and that I've never been down. Well, I've been down it for quite some time even. Because I have been down it, because just in distance there's a pub there that I recognise. Called Rakes Hall. Quite a nice garden corner. It really is nice, big pub that. That's just off Whitegate Drive. It's opposite Liverpool Road. Yeah, it's a nice big pub that. It's one that I've been in before. They've got a nice sized pool table. So if you like to have a game of pool or whatever, then there's your place. Yeah, we've just come up to the Salvation, aren't we? Private car park, and yeah, there's quite a few people parked up around here. And we've got a big church here near the Salvation Army. Leamington Road. Not sure if I pronounced it correctly. and just where that bus is coming, you have Sainsbury's in the background. And yeah, Salvation Army is actually open. So they do like Bible teaching and stuff like that. Must be quite interesting, but it's not my cup of tea, unfortunately. Yeah, just down that road there. I think that's Sainsbury's and back of Argos. And just in distance there is the Department of Work and Pensions building. Now the size of that, looking from here, there's going to be a lot of buildings like well, that's going to be shadowing a lot of buildings. So I can only imagine around here it's going to get pretty busy with office workers. Maybe I can beat that car there. Me trying to run for no reason. Yeah, this car park's quite a nice little car park. It's one that I parked on last week. This is £4.10 for 3 hours, but it didn't cost me that much.
See, that's new, that's the shops. Yeah. So, I need to sort about that.
I'm getting done over there on the Regent auction house. Yeah, it says £4.10 there, but I'm pretty sure it cost me a bit less last weekend because I pressed the resident button. But I'm not sure whether they'll go off your, they might go off your registration plate and be able to tell if you're resident. Yeah, I'll continue there. Yeah, of course we are now on Cookson Street. And the areas that the art touch is that there and that there. So from that mortgage research building, this block here is being left, and so that building there. From that building over there, which has no signage up, it's from there down to the end of that road. Basically, well, I'm not going to talk it today, but just as like a rough idea, knocking down all this block here and that block there where the African Caribbean supermarket is, that's going to be the multiversity. But we'll have a look into that at a later date. Yeah, so for now, we're actually going to check out. Oh, check this out, guys. That building's all boarded up. That looks a bit shoddy. And yeah, all this lot's boarded up and all. So I'm not sure whether council's wanting to try and do something with that or not. But yeah, here's the Department for Work and Pensions building. You can just look at the scale of it. Looks like they're doing some construction at the back of it. But yeah, I think that's the last of the concrete work that they're doing down it. But just as a rough scale, it's about 6 stories high. So you can see it for miles. And talking about seeing for miles, I'm sure over there are the hills of the Lake District. Or is it? I'm not sure. No, it can't be. Can't be. Just looks like a right nice horizon over there in distance. No, it won't be. Not sure what it'll be there. Unless it was a cloud in distance. I'm thinking, oh yeah, look at that. But look at that bin there. Ooh. All the seagulls that were fighting over it. So yeah, a lot of this area in this Clayton's Jewellers will be getting flattened, and they want to seek out compulsory purchase order as of tomorrow. So I might find out more news as of tomorrow. That's probably not that security guard that's on site. Hopefully he won't mind me filming. Yeah, just look at the scale. Whilst we're here, I do actually need to nip to Argos, so yeah. But you shall see on Thursday why I need to go to Argos. I'm not going to let any guesses go. Yeah, look at that netting that they're putting up. So, I'll put through here. Got a car coming out from the Talbot Road car park. In fact, got quite a few coming out. Is it safe to go? Oh. Jesus, it scared the life out of me. Yeah, they've got access platform up there. It's like they're starting to slowly tidy up around this area and move stuff under shelter. Got the big crane there in the middle, at the end still. There isn't really much to get from the back as yet. So at the back there's not a lot going on at the moment because they're still doing development work on it. But that's the scale of the building. So yeah, it's going to be a big old site. And I can cross over it. I mean, that's what it's going to look like when they finish it. And off to the left hand side is the dentist, which is I can show. Safe to go, and yeah, that's in Munster car park there. Yeah, that front bit must be that front section must be that section there. Because it's all like curved and everything at the front.
Mr. Mazraz. That one is fucking super. That coming to work Monday morning.
And that's the that's the dental surgery. Yeah, it's definitely a big old site down here. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed the video, feel free to hit the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget to ding dong that notification bell for further notifications of when I post new videos, and I'll be sure to see you in the next one. And so for now, I'm off into Sainsbury's Argos here, and yeah, you may be able to see, well, I might get to show you guys what I'm actually getting, as long as it's in stock. My luck, it probably won't be. But yeah, I shall see you in the next one. So for now, take care, peace out.